What if I told you that 6 months from now, you could hold the event of your dreams and have it be successful and profitable? Not only can you do it, but we'll show you how to do it. Hi, I'm Joelle St. Germaine, and along with my business partner, Robin Rose, we have nearly 50 years of event production and coordinating experience, including everything from conferences, expos, retreats, tours, and so much more. Now, through the years, we've experienced it all, including hotels double booking our space, or closing for renovations just a couple weeks before our event, presenters backing out last minute, airlines going out of business while we're on tour in a foreign country, audio and lighting issues, terrible dinners, crazy bus drivers, hurricanes damaging the hotel the weekend before our event, and so much more. So we know your fears and your pain. For me, basically, I've been doing events my whole life. Even as a little girl, I would hold muscular dystrophy carnivals in the backyard, turn our garage into a haunted house, produce plays in the backyard for the neighborhood to come and enjoy. And even through high school and college, I continued coordinating events such as prom and the parents' weekend brunch. And my background is television and video production, which is basically lots of events put together in different locations and setups throughout each day of production. Then when I moved to Florida 20 years ago, I began working with authors and teachers to book them into events, as well as to coordinate their personal events, including retreats, intensive workshops, personal journey tours. And it was through one of these speakers that I began working with Robin Rose. Robin coordinated one of the longest running self-help conferences, which ran for almost 20 years. And I helped her coordinate this conference during the last 10 years, as well as working with her on retreats and foreign tours. Robin is amazing at coordinating events, and I've loved working with her. For Robin, in the 80s and 90s, she owned several self-help bookstores and teaching centers, where she would bring in well-known authors and best-selling authors to do lectures and workshops. From there, she realized her passion for producing events and eventually began creating expos, festivals, and conferences, as well as U.S. and international destination retreats and personal journey tours. Over the past 25 years, we've become experts in coordinating and producing profitable and successful events. And because of the success of our events, we are continuously receiving requests to help others experience the same degree of success and confidence, which we've acquired. In fact, Robin is continuously approached by A-list speakers, presenters, and authors that she's worked with to create events for them, or at least teach them how to run their events, which is a huge compliment and is what led us to creating this incredible course. In creating events, you need a path, you need a plan, and this mastermind delivers. During this 2-day mastermind, you'll learn how to create the expos, conferences, and destination retreats of your dreams. Have a specific system in place to price your event so that you make a profit. How to negotiate with a venue and what key points are a must in creating a successful event. And will help you to create a plan of action in choosing what type of event you want to do, how long the event should be, where it will be held, what type of venue will fit it, and how to promote it. If you're ready to master highly successful events for yourself and others in a hands-on experiential environment where you will receive expert feedback and direction, then this event is a must for you. So, if you're ready to design, promote, and sell out your event, then click the link below and register today. You'll walk away with expert advice on everything you need to plan your event step by step. In addition, you'll gain the confidence and clarity you need to make a greater impact on your clients. Again, click the link below to register, receive your bonuses, including a great discount for registering now, and save your spot as space is limited. We're both looking forward to masterminding your event with you. See you soon.